since in be one man or no as a coach in his Yadumana or did to say or you're wrong and will take responsibility. Now so we start this question, say for how long and not the beer or to the bedja to say why I'm from so because I would say TV at you South Stadium now share Black Star City no. You sit on 10th house as a Otto no as say ya. Oh, like feel comfortable that comfortable baby. It will not there. So we so to Addo pa djuma wa yede magana ne dia. Obaka so nya impress. So oka so impress and so no sports minister kra na djuma ye no. As on say dem nim na djuma. To Addo ne die. Ah yeah. Also to Addo no.
Anope anoka.
That's why Anope ya city.
Okay. Ni impress. And what's happening?
Ayala. Mukochi. Ubusan so say I would you do. Or a mistake.
In all honesty, na mente sa voice way.
Sisi a fatu no kra na de breme.
Nti I am still processing it. Nti ama me hu asama me kind I don't want to get it wrong.
Okay, you can process Name started from Fiifi. No
but no, I will not speak on it today.
Okay.
I will speak on it Ebia or China and I say when it becomes a topic for us to discuss properly. But my initial words and say Honorable Kofi Adams, I have the right to the opinion. And as a sports minister, which me say obi wo even better rights to express the opinion about Blaster coach Jumedia Odi and the Echion.
Sure.
And he is subject to his own opinion. How Nyoma send your person and Nyoma a year. My only question and say the opinion on this matter, has it gone through an elaborative analysis? And I say it is just what you are seeing with your game against Mali. That would be my only question.
And the evidence, say me tie papa na or say obisa mu na amu. Nyame adoma have kon ebe bono Morocco no. Ghana ebe biana. The answer is no. It is coach I went to be amfi ankobo AFCON no. And he did and say what church or qualifies now all boni no. Chad went to be answer no. Obobo Mali so a hard fought win. Utimi say I mean scrappy win and kasa and yema nkoyi. Ti say wo hwe sa nyema ni na a chesa sa kwa no se na nyade.
And until me you say sa opinion na why express no or you entitled to it. But my only question which later I will come and expatiate and say sa opinion no what is here no is it informed by proper analysis of baby a blasters in your free back any baby a baby drana? That will be my only comment.
Kofi Brema na enko to I mean
but okay enko me talk.
Oh no, so what person me mama meet myself.
No we say o say enko me topic.
Oh we dey
bomb na me tin you know.
Say nyame adom chena because voice is here na eba na.
Bomb.
Ochena na time na in discuss it.
We are interested in what the coach does, his performance and everything. We are interested.
Are you impressed with what you've seen so far?
Let me tell you that there are national teams that today, after game 8, are very comfortable that they are going to the World Cup. As I sit here, very soon AFCON will start in Morocco. Is Ghana going to be there? No. We watch on TV. We have not qualified for the World Cup yet. We still need a win and a minimum draw to comfortably say that as far as our group is concerned, nobody can upstage or overtake us, even if they score 1,000 goals. So we are not sitting in a comfortable space at all. So if I tell you that I am impressed, then it means that I don't know my job. I am not. There's a lot of room for improvement. And when you meet the coach himself, he tells you that he feels he got this one, not his. He takes blame for this, he takes blame for that. He's identified this. But, well, people may ask, for how long will you continue to be doing post? Because you sometimes sit on tenterhooks. The last game like this,
Charlie, it was hot for you.
it was very hot.
Couldn't sleep.
I have to be getting up. I got up like 3 times.
And the Minister of Sports and Recreation, Anopeya at the City FM, and Oko can't answer me.
Yeah. Rich, so UTA, the last part of Mr. Kofi Adams' seminar, I don't think so. So you're too worried about whether Otto hooks in games. At the end of the day, it's all subject to Otto to the parameters of the man, the KPIs, the key performance indexes. No, the man is on Fanya Juma or Black Stars. No. If and just anything I will be saying, the first thing I told you is that anyone second. And say we're in a personal opinion here, that's personal opinion. But if the contract of Otto doesn't meet the key performance index that is set for him, then he has to go. That is how you manage any top level high performance institution. If it's not good enough, your also contract will terminate it because you don't meet the standards that we set for you.
Okay,
any problem.
I went to Otwado Nankasa, Nensama de Ejani Place, and Ghana food nana. Yentuaso Emfa Emamo.
No, I think the expectations are normal. This is normal. Like you said, we are Ghana. But for me, if everybody is talking before the Chad game that we already won and we already taking the 3 points, and if this gets to the heads of the players, it's a problem for me because you see little percentage here and there getting lost because they think it's easy. You know? So if everybody there, let's say their friends, their family, the media is talking, oh, Chad, we are always beat them. It's a danger, and I'm talking now to you again to warn everybody to think we have already gone to the World Cup. It's not like that. We have to give the same effort like today to beat the Central African Republic. If we don't do this, it's a big problem. And if everybody thinks we're already gone, no, we're not done yet. We have a lot of work to do. A lot of work. It's going to be very, very difficult, very, very hard. But I think with the right thinking, with the right mentality, we will get it.
Okay, and Coach Otwado, I say, ono do catch any place any Ghana phone na include on one kasa Otwado no say we should guide against complacency. And my fan shit say oh Ghana before I ever kono table ni na ye da soro ho aka 2 matches on Monday 6th October nyame adoma next month ye bebo Central African Republic anu ya away na on the 13th of October no Ghana abetre fi abewi adwuma no with aye omeya from say aye Comoros. Asemi en fan she trim say ya qualify wi say a concentration level need to be kosro na ye niema ye ne hu say afede 2 matches na aka no points aye here betimi dia qualify nya no awie ansana afede obia de na kota de anase ne niema so egu a ono so de egu ba sisi ide o ka kire nyina yen guide against air complacency because adwuma no ye aka 2 matches I say bo ansana qualification no and so etimi aba ene efe no ekrata mo ede aba eya bonte se mi twa no etia ana me bon tofa ade amama efe no ese omoda ayo bia se the good people of Air Ghana omoda masepa for that tremendous air supporter mode ema aye the Black Stars of Ghana nano aye bande awo edi across us dim omse na konimu aden but mudede in fact nyoma mo beto ye niema mo ye de che players no eno ka ho edema mo ebeye the number 12 ema Ghana so no yetimi enya aye down 1-0 win over aye Mali ento mo bo bia ba so mo ba cross us in fact Ghana for a mo tena aye mo TV achi abon pa de ma TV dina no omo da mo dina ma se mo boa ede mo support ema Black Stars ne still na no ya occupy aye top ho ewo aye group I to mo da mo dina and so ase Ayala isa se mfefu amrani nti enje ne kakra na ense bi ebetu amati for na bemo
first of all I think that the message from Otto is spot on. In qualifying year, there were 2 games, one away in Morocco with Central African Republic because Omuni Stadium are approved Chrome. then will fear Ghana against Comoros. Once I'm mathematically, you qualify in the rich team can say
qualify.
You qualify. And we will need a certain level of performances and some amount of points in 2 games now to make sure say we are home and dry. And see, if there is something we need to add to the OCC in the then Rich, that must be our focus. Until we add it and cement say now you didn't know honey, we can't relax. And see, that is the message from the coach. Say Sammy can say Shankaya were in the position of Morocco. Now we are home and dry. Even Morocco ma qualify Rich. And no only one of say 2-0 and
against Zambia.
2-0. So what Wagradria or say after omu a winnie fear omu qualify no. He told us Shafakim say what matches do from Paris Saint-Germain all the way to the Champions League final. Movie na osa twaso pre-season kwa manya papa bia na mkobo FIFA Club World Cup. Mubo FIFA Club World Cup we anche na French League started. French League started anche and yes afro national team. Now you've helped us qualify to the World Cup. And last game na go and mobi go back to France and go and relax. Asa Fakimi can say so be relax so bo I still retire. But once he's active, every game be at Nakuma so Bobo once our back company, he wants to remain there till the job. Omuma qualifying pool, that is their mentality. Now you qualify here. And before players will go back. Now Omakako start a dream say, oh I can't near Drew no. Rich, this message from the coach will ring a bell in their heads. The next time you better call up BMA in October. Rich, you come with all the seriousness because your coach has informed you, say, like, Masa, and you see, the entire maker say it is as important to the players as citizen we know. And I say, whatever we did, support, prayers, be did spirit and air tie team to make sure say about my qualifying. Rich, see about you to see then we also can't rest. You see it to me rest. Hey, say a criticism. Say a so bot team net you bo muja. Say the bill met me general monaso no deliver the Amagana. Whatever we roll a year. Send a beer blasters bet me a qualifying Rich. We shouldn't be relentless. I want to see a keep it on the fire until the job is finally done. Niaka say Ghana, you are qualified for the 2026 World Cup. It is a very, very good message to tell Obia who play any role where the blaster say we can't rest not until say yetimi achieve the be achieve. Thank you, Nadia. It is in place. You recognize what the supporters did, and you can't be brave. Fear what supporters know, what the spirit of the nation. At the national team, because it is our national team. And to see no more we the leaders of the team, no more that spirit of the nation for supporting more positively. Somebody may not results in there. Rich, it is in place. Omo Addo, so you have a October then ebeba. And your conduct within this space in Ano will continue for us to make sure say you bet me qualify the World Cup no.
Benjamin Abbey will say this station always defending the GFA and Otto Addo for his mediocre performance.
Well, what has the GFA done to this topic? At the GFA, Minister Nako baby no so who coach here for GFA woman. I say when you GFA asem obi chire na adwen say ohun se coach no e modern bono enso nani. And yet na say oh that is the person's opinion. Who so for opinion bra. So on only opinion no so express no. Who is he defending? Who defending why?
Asemu.
I am somebody on one gazana Rich.
Kantanka one or say apu I see the trainer scout and now coach.
me what sometimes interesting to me and they say, Rich, I don't know why people want Obia to be on the side of their thinking. Say who did say I be able to say ya. No so be say Adebi. Send ya who did no so me no onya obi mpesa on in the back on the bayadi ade umbeso obi ni onya because una nyansa nyina wo tirimana
I am normal Ghana.
No, but we shouldn't accept that.
The moment on the line now, Otto,
I say when you also pet a DB mouth, no tago. Who told you say who again now one is the perfect mind? Who told you say the whole can is the truth? Mobia kwen obi anche na adwen. Mobia kwen to have his own opinion on matters.
For example, say AFCON Nigeria be kwaku bobi. But qualifies for World Cup.
Won't even more World Cup. Go ahead and finish your musi.
So sometimes football no.
It's like that. And no man when Otto anti me for yanko AFCON no. Rich. Didn't you tell him he has failed?
Yeah.
Because we say qualifying for AFCON a minimum requirement, even if you are asked to rebuild the team. And you look, your opinion is not superior to Obiade. Tolerate Obisu's stance on matters. That is how we build consensus. That is how we build a nation. But so no don't come and tag the person in a certain way. So be a woman now we can say tagwa. Do you know the name somebody can also give you?
Na yeme to some farm me shawanzo for Kofi me buy sia na.
So you be add me keke.
Ai na say kwa me di e ya